Hello traders and welcome to another video review. And today is Thursday, April 7th, 2022. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar on this very beginning of the day. What do we have here? The Asian session was without any spectacular data releases. However, it's worth to pay attention to unemployment rate in Switzerland in line with the expectations, 2.2%, and the data from the Eurozone. Industrial production in the Germany just increased like 0.2%. Not very much. Halifax house price index increased 1.4%, beating the expectations of 0.9%, and the last reading was 0.8%. Plenty of data from the Eurozone today. Most of them are the bond auctions. Eurozone retail sales are scheduled for release at 11 a.m. and the market anticipates a jump from 0.2% to 0.6% on monthly basis. ECB monetary policy meeting accounts is scheduled for release at 1:30. It's kind of a event of the day. However, during the New York session we have some data scheduled for release as well, and we have plenty of speeches. Data are unemployment claims and continuing claims at 2:30. Please remember today is the day when we are after the FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, so we got speeches from FOMC members, as you can see, James Ballard, even Janet Yellen will give a speech, and such, Charles Evans, Raphael Bostic, John Williams, and so on and so on. And that's about it. And at the end of the day, we got the annual budget from Canada. So plenty of economic data. Some sort of the auctions on the Europe bond auctions, some data from the US as well. ECB meeting minutes might be quite interesting day. However, it looks like we should take a look at the US dollar today, because plenty of this kind of speeches might have some clues regarding the future of the FOMC policy. So we start with US dollar to the Japanese yen. What do we have here? We are on the technical resistance to 124.4 is the level. That is the local high, and as I said many times before, we are still heading higher. We are heading higher towards 125.15, 125.83. Those are the levels from 2015. So the US dollar is being bought across the board, and RSI on the daily time frame chart has just jumped to the level of 73. So the market is extremely overbought again. However, the market is trending, so we might stay on the elevated levels for quite some time right now. The outlook didn't change. We are still bullish on the US dollar to Japanese yen. US dollar to the Canadian dollar. What is going on here? Very nice jump from the level of 1.2450. We have the hammer formation here. So confirmation next day, the bullish candle, test of the nearest technical resistance. Let me just change the color to, of course, red. There you go. 1.2570 is the technical resistance. The next one is 1.2586, and the other one is 1.2635. So overall, nice defense of this level. We got the bounce back up. If we break above these levels, we can of course retrace a little bit more. Let me just put some Fibonacci retracement tools to see where's the 50, where is the 61%. There you go. This is the 61% Fibonacci retracement. However, I think that there you go. Three most important levels are on the screen on the US dollar to the Canadian dollar. 1.2708, 61%, 1.2650, 50%, 1.2392. 1.2592 is 38%. So this zone here might be very interesting from the point of view of of bears if they want to join the market and puts more pressure on the bulls, because there is a technical resistance, another technical resistance, and 58% Fibonacci retracement. So very interesting zone here. Please keep an eye on this zone. So that's the US dollar to the Canadian dollar. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. The euro dollar recent rally had been stopped at the 1.1185, bearish engulfing below 61%, or even far away from the 61%. Just hit the upper channel line, so that helped the bears to push the price lower, and we are going down, breaking all of the technical support. All right, now we are trading just inside this second half or second part of the channel. Look at this. This is the most accurate channel I got on my chart, and I think we are heading towards 1.0809 again. This is the low from the beginning of the March, and I think we're gonna hit this level very soon. The momentum looks pretty much bearish as well, because the momentum is right now at the level of 39, 40, something like that. And yeah, euro is being sold, dollar is being bought back up. Nothing changes here as usual. Let's take a look at silver. The silver is apparently not that violate market as gold, and just recently, when we are talking about this channel, we might extend the channel right now. We broke above this channel again and again, and we cannot extend it that much. So I think that the previous setting of having this channel here was kind of appropriate. However, right now it doesn't give us any edge to have this channel on the chart, so let's just remove it. Very interesting bearish engulfing pattern here towards 2650. Decline, bounce, decline with the pin bar here. Let's find out how much we retraced already, because it looks like from this low to this high we retraced already. Yes, 50% has been retraced, 24.13, and we are heading towards this level again. When we zoom out, you can see a false breakout. You can see a false breakout on the silver, because we got this blue line here. So you can't go wrong with that. You have a breakout, a rally towards 26. There was 26.90 or something like this, almost $27 per ounce, and then huge decline, testing the trend line. If it holds and technical support, they try to rally again, and then final decline. And now the price is back below the long-term trend line. What it means? It means that the bearish pressure is obvious and the downtrend will be continued. So we should see a breakout below 24.13, and 23.48 is the next target, as it is 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of the whole rally. And this rally, if you pay attention to it, is the ABC rally. You can see it here. You got the wave A, you got the wave B, and you got the wave C, which is why we are now back into the bearish mode. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Ethereum. Yep, that's my chart. That's my chart. Very nice channel we got here, guys, and it looks like we just need a little adjustment, maybe somewhere here. However, this channel is completely useless. This one is useless as well, but this one with the secondary point here is kind of looking good. So what do we have here? We got bearish pressure from the supply zone, and we got A, B and C corrective pattern as well. So we got this kind of a situation where only the market arises on three waves, and it cannot rise on three waves because it's a corrective pattern, so there will be no impulsive rally, and the level of 3,289 is already violated. So we should expect the lower prices on the Ethereum. The positive momentum, the bullish momentum is fading away. As soon as we get below the level of 50, the neutral level, the acceleration should the down wave acceleration should be pretty big, and $3,000 might get broken very soon. So please be careful with the Ethereum in the short term, as it looks rather bearish. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.